What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get the iOS 26 beta update on your iPhone. So let's get started. So iOS 26 has been finally announced. Apple is now jumping from iOS 18 to iOS 26, which is going to be the new update. Now in order to get the beta update on your iPhone, the first thing you are going to do is go into your settings and then go to general and then software update. Now in the software update you are going to see option that says beta updates. Now by default it's turned off, so you will need to log in there, and once you go in there, as long as you are connected to an internet connection and signed into Apple account, all you will need to do in order to do that is just simply select the iOS 26 beta update and then go back and let it refresh here. We will check for the update and we are going to see the iOS 26 beta update available here. I've already updated my phone. Once you see the beta update, now before you update the phone, keep in mind this is a beta version, which means it have bugs and glitches. So what I recommend is that if you are going to be updating this beta to back up your iPhone, just to make sure you don't run into any issues. And something I wouldn't even install on my main iPhone yet, since it's just been released. So if you are really keen to do it on a backup phone, maybe a second phone that you have, phone that you can test it on if you really want to start using it before you update your main phone. But if you are ready to update it, you just simply update it now and it will update like a regular software update, and you will get the beta version to test out the new features that are available in the upcoming public release, which is probably going to happen sometime in September. So guys, iOS 26 has a few changes to the design and has the new mode which is called clear mode. So guys, this is a beta version and it has bugs and glitches, so I don't recommend you to install it on your main iPhone. If you have a second-hand phone, just make sure to use it before installing it on your main phone. So guys, this is how to get the iOS 26 beta update, and that's our video for today. And as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.